So understandably, the question I'm being asked right now is, Dr. Ellie, what exactly is this complete mouth care system you're talking about? If you go to my website, drellie.com, there's a downloadable booklet that you can download for free, and it will give you the basic protocol. This is the basic steps, things that you can buy in the grocery store, over-the-counter products you can buy on Amazon, and put them together in this particular system. It's a methodology that's important. What you use and in the order you use it, how many minutes you use it for. But when you do this, you will address the prevention of cavities and gum disease very effectively. It doesn't take long usually to feel the benefits, and then the results will come and speak for themselves. Now, there is more to this program. There are things you can do for your diet so that your nutrition improves to a point where it supports your saliva health. And then you adopt habits of not eating and drinking, specifically at certain times of the day, so that your saliva can help to heal your gums and your teeth. And that is more something that is described. I wrote a book called Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye, which really does go through this whole system and analyze it in a little more detail. It also gives a bit of the background of how I got involved in this passionate mission of preventive dentistry as a pediatric dentist in England many, many years ago in the 1970s. But I want to tell you a little bit about my writing, because I am definitely not a writer. I don't profess to be. I wrote this book because I felt there was such a need to teach, and this was the era before the internet. I was giving seminars in hotel rooms, and it was all kind of one person at a time. So I had no idea there would ever be this medium where I can talk directly to you like this. And I started writing this book. It was very hard for me. And at the end of about 10 years of writing, my family said to me, Mom, are you there yet? And I said, listen, I'll dedicate the book. I'll put the first page's dedication to you guys for being patient. And they turned to me and said, Mom, don't do that. Why don't you dedicate it to that little girl, Raven Blanco, that you care so much about, that made you so angry? And if you read my book, please read the dedication, because it is to Raven Blanco, a little girl who died in 2007, having a dental cleaning under sedation. And this is a mission of mine to explain to parents the dangers of sedation. And we'll talk more about that. But do go look up Raven Blanco, look up her story, and you'll know that that's what motivated me to finish this book and actually first publish it in 2010. Enjoy.